Today, we review the best 5 sewing machine that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Brother CS6000i Sewing and Quilting Machine. The sewing possibilities are endless with the Brother CS6000i. You can create quilts, redesign your clothes, or create stylish pillows or throws for your couch or bedroom. This advanced but user-friendly machine has a maximum sewing speed of 850 stitches per minute.
Number 2.
Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. With a full range of features and an easy-to-use design, the Brother XM2701 is perfect for beginners and advanced sewers. Completing a wide range of everyday sewing tasks is made super easy with this durable machine.
Number 3.
Singer 4423 Sewing Machine. If you are a sewing enthusiast, the Singer 4423 is one workhorse of a machine. It has a heavy-duty sturdy metal frame. It has a 60% more powerful motor that can pierce through thick seams, denim and canvas, and a super fast maximum speed of 1100 stitches per minute.
Number 4.
Singer 1304 Sewing Machine. If you are just starting your sewing journey, the Singer 1304 Sewing Machine is destined to be your new sewing buddy. One of the easiest sewing machines to use, the Singer 1304 is perfect for beginners or hobbyists.
Number 5.
Varmax Mini Sewing Machine. If you have everyday sewing tasks planned or you are just learning how to sew, the Varmax Mini Sewing Machine has great user-friendly functions. This simple but efficient sewing machine has a larger extension table which provides smooth and stable sewing on any surface.